Hi! In this lesson, you'll learn about programming languages used in game scripts and the Unity Scripting API. Scripts are contained blocks of code used to create game mechanics, player interactions, complex systems, and much more. All scripts are written in a specific programming language based on the game engine they're used with. Let's take a look at some game engines and the languages they use for their scripts. The Roblox Studio game engine uses Luau, a Roblox adapted version of the Lua scripting language. Godot uses GDScript, a mixed language inspired by Python and Lua. Godot also allows developers to use an external code editor and create game scripts in the C# programming language. Unreal Engine uses the C++ language primarily, but can be extended to use other languages with the help of plugins. Finally, the Unity game engine uses the C# programming language to create scripts during game development. Unity not only uses the C# programming language to write game scripts, but also a specialized collection of functions known as the Unity Application Programming Interface, or API. This API allows game developers to access pre-programmed controls and systems within their game scripts. Unity provides game developers with an online collection of documentation, or docs, to offer scripting guidance and help referencing Unity's APIs. The Unity Manual offers guidance and advice for many aspects of the engine, and is a great resource for beginners. The Unity Scripting Reference is a comprehensive Unity API guide, and gives a glimpse of what is possible with Unity. The formatting of code can change, or be added or removed between versions of Unity. So as you use these resources, always ensure that you are viewing the docs for your version. Here, you can see the Unity User Manual website. In the top left, you'll find a drop-down list of Unity versions. Selecting it allows you to change the manual to most versions of Unity from the last 10 years. Below the version number, you'll find the table of contents. You'll use this to navigate to various sections and research how components and systems are used in Unity projects. Selecting the Scripting API button at the top of the page switches to viewing the Unity Scripting API reference docs. This manual details using various Unity APIs within your scripts. Just like the Unity manual, you can change your Unity version using the drop-down menu at the top left, and the table of contents is just below. The Unity APIs, and other external APIs like System, can be added individually at the top of your C# scripts. This will ensure that you have access to all of the classes within that API if you need to use them in your code. For example, we can add using UnityEngine.tilemaps to our API list at the beginning of a script file. This lets us use all the specific properties, methods, and classes related to tile maps within that script. Let's take a look at a Unity C# script in the CodeHS editor. This script detects the collision of two game objects in a Unity game. We won't go too deep into this code at the moment, but notice the beginning lines of the script that start with using. Each of these lines calls or accesses an API that's used within this script. As you create your scripts, if you ever try to access a class or method that you know exists, but Unity is returning an error, you may be missing the API call that allows you to access it. The Unity game engine adds boilerplate, or starter code, to every C# script file created in a Unity project. The C# files you'll create for Unity in the CodeHS editor will also include this boilerplate. The first line of the boilerplate script accesses the primary Unity API, and must be included at the beginning of every C# script that accesses Unity functions, like the start and update methods. Now that you're a little more familiar with the Unity Scripting API, it's time for you to create a Unity script file.